damage to the
Early in the morning, clouds are dropping on my head, reminding me the things at night I should have left unsaid. So please forgive the words I use, my mind it turns around away with smaller years, and I'm not the only one. So dear, oh dear, my head it tends to stray away, sometimes I can't see clear. Oh dear, oh dear, in spite of all the things I said, I always want you near. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it pours, sometimes I'm not sure, but anytime you look at me, your thoughts I can't ignore. The second hour passes by, she's one of us, a blink, but in a minute you realize it's true, I'm always waiting. Dear, oh dear, my head it tends to stray away, sometimes I can't see clear. Oh dear, oh dear, in spite of all the things I said, I always want you near, my dear. Things I said